Hey Scrappy friends, it's Ashley and today I'm here to share an unboxing with you for the Studio Calico October Letters Home Traveler's Notebook Kit. This is a fun kind of fall, Halloween, kind of everyday kit. So you can do a lot with this one. So let's go ahead and get it opened and see what we have in here. Everything out, and I'm going to start out with these because they are super cute. These are like some little kind of puffy sticker leaf shapes, and I love the colors. They're really bright. If you can see the orange, and let's see if we can squeeze those out. I'm always really bad about tearing my packaging, so I try to get things out without getting them torn up. See if we can get the last one out here. So they're just really bright and cute, and a lot of different leaf shapes here that you can use, and they do actually have the sticker peel off on the back, so you can take that off and then adhere those to your projects. So you get a good bit. There's 8 in here, so you get 2 of each design. So those are really super cute. I love those. And then this is the washi tape that is included for the October kit. It's kind of a coppery color, which is great for fall and Halloween. I don't know how well this is going to photograph. These do like to reflect, so hopefully when I start working in this album, I'll be able to get some good photographs with the washi tape. This is the stamp that is included for October, and it is created by Jasmine Jones, and I like this one. It has the little kind of notebook banner type design. It has a little pattern of polka dots. That's always good if you want to create like a repeating pattern. It has a little tiny glasses stamp. That's really cute. A pencil, and then good things are happening, saying, and home. So this has a good mix of different things that you can use just for all different types of layouts that you're working on. Then we have some stickers that are in the kit. So let's grab these out. These are basically like postage stamps. They have like a little booklet that you get, and they have all different kinds of little images on there. And these would be great for Halloween because a lot of them have kind of like dress up images and different things like that. So these are really fun, and you get a ton of them. So these would be great for documenting, and they're actually, yeah, let's see, they are stickers. So yeah, they're stickers. If you wanted to, you could just pull off the whole perforated page and use it just as is in your traveler's notebook, or you can pull off the individual stickers and use those. So those are really fun. I like those a lot. They're really different. And then we have some more stickers in the kit. These are by Golden Wood Company, and they have some circles, little banners, and you get 2, and just lots of different little sayings, jot it down, weekly goals, urgency rating, on my mind, hello fall, top priorities, morning, afternoon, evening. So those are really fun to use on your layouts, layer over your photos, however you want to use those. And I really like the colors. They match the little leaf shapes that are also in the kit. And then we have a lot of stickers this month in this kit. So I really like that. Stickers are great for your traveler's notebook because they're flat and they don't add a lot of bulk. And I really like these types of the little skinny kind of washi tape look stickers. These are fun for kind of using over your photos. And they say today's highlights. This one is like a little notebook paper. This is how I feel about this. For the record, today was today's list. Write it down. Then it has priority 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday abbreviations, and daily routine. So you also get 2 of those, and I can definitely tell I'll be using these a lot. I really love the colors and how they coordinate, even with this, the little cute stamps. So everything works great together. And now we actually have the notebook insert, and it's really cute on the outside. It's definitely kind of Halloween themed. with the black polka dots and the orange, but that could be fall also, so you could really use it for anything that you wanted to. I don't mind orange and black for other combinations other than Halloween too. So that is really fun on the outside. I really like that. And then getting started, we have the grid paper and the white on the first page on the inside. And like I've said before, if you don't like to use that first page, just use your tape runner, glue those two pieces together, and then you get this for your first. So if you want to use every page, that's great, or if you want to tape those together, you can do that too. And then this kind of fall Halloween, so it's got the kind of mustard yellow and then some orange polka dots that are really cute. And I like how they're clustered together at the bottom and then get a little bit wider at the top. And then the graph paper or the grid paper for the second side. And then this kind of goes away from the Halloween and fall and kind of back to an everyday look. It says all I need is blank, blank, and blank. So you could do kind of anything on this. You could actually do fall because I think kind of the salmon pink is kind of a fallish color. So you could use that for a fall page if you wanted to. I always love these. These are really cute with the stripes, and these are multicolored, kind of a rainbow look. So you could use that for any of your fall layouts if you wanted to. And next we have a little polka dot. These are really tiny, and it only goes to right here, and then you have some white down at the bottom, so you could add some stamping or whatever you wanted to do for that page right there. And it has the grid paper on the other side. I like that they've gone to kind of having the pattern paper and then the grid paper because it gives you kind of a subtle base on one side and then the pattern on the other side, so you're not having too much going on your layouts in your traveler's notebook. And this is really pretty. It's kind of a deep green, and then it has like a teal colored little polka dot on it, so that's really cute and different. I like that color scheme a lot. And then this is one of my favorites. I love the little leaves. These are super cute. Definitely could be used for a fall page. So they just have kind of the little falling leaf look, and that would be fun to even use some of the little stickers with. So that's a really cute page. This one is actually a full pattern paper. So you get different shades of blue and then the gray at the top. That would be great for kind of a fall weather. It's usually kind of gloomy in fall, which is one of the reasons that I really like fall. I'm not a bright sunshiny person. I would rather have rainy, cold weather. So this would be a fun spread for that. And then this is the little polka dot pattern from the front of the album. So this would definitely be cute for Halloween. And I actually have gotten the Halloween kit from September and haven't had a chance to use it yet. So this would be fun for incorporating the Halloween kit that they had available in the September release. And then these are fun. These are kind of label shapes that are already on the page. So these would be great for journaling. You could add some of the stickers in these, and I really like the colors. This is kind of my favorite color scheme. Again, can't go wrong when they put that color scheme in the book. So I'm always happy with that. And then this one, I really like it because I love the colors, and it has, you can see it has these little shapes of the leaves. So you have all of the ones that have the stickers, and you get that same shape. Some are different colors, but you have that same design from the little puffy stickers. So I really like that. And I'll definitely be documenting fall in this album. And then You Are Golden. So this is a great title page. I like it when they have the pre-printed titles on the pattern papers in the notebook. So that is a fun one. Ooh, and then this one is one of my favorites. I love this with the polka dots. I like all the colors, how they're spread out over kind of this journaling like notebook paper. That's really cute, and it kind of has those colors from the leaf pattern that we just looked at. So it has all of those same colors on the polka dots. And then here you have a currently page. So you're currently what, but wishing I were instead. So if you're cleaning or doing laundry or something like that, and you like to document those everyday things, this would be a fun page to do that. And this one is kind of just a simple layout. It looks almost like stitching going down the page and multicolored, And I like the way they're doing the pattern at the top and then having it end and having the little white space down here at the bottom. I really like that design. And then this is a cool polka dot. It's kind of a messy polka dot pattern. They're not perfect circles. They're kind of look hand drawn. And I really like this color with the lighter pink and kind of the darker melon over the top of that. That's a really pretty page. And then I always love these ledger papers. And it has heart of gold and a pretty kind of mustard yellow here at the bottom. So I really like that one a lot. This would be good for doing multiple photos if you wanted to. And then this is really cute, kind of a little leaf floral pattern, and it has that pink, kind of a dark burgundy color, and just these little flower stems that are really cute here. That could be a great like girly layout or everyday layout. And then you have a daily highlight. I love the gray that they brought in this month. I really like that color in the albums. And then this is fun. There's usually always one paper in the inserts that I would love to have in a full 12 by 12, and this is one of them. I really like the way that this is on here. It's kind of like a grid, but then it has a chevron kind of look to it also. And I love the color. Teal is one of my favorite colors, so I really like that page. And then we're at the last page again, the white and the grid. So that finishes out the insert. So this is going to be a fun album to put together. I really like that it, like I said, like it has a mix of where you could do Halloween, fall, you could do like a thankful type insert with this one if you wanted to. So lots of options of what you want to do for this one. So that is the unboxing, and I'll be sharing some layouts that I work on in here. So make sure that you check out those on my YouTube channel. And I always share my projects on Instagram, so you can follow me on Instagram at AshleyHorton75. And thanks so much for watching today. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love for you to become a new subscriber. And I'll see you next time. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.